What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Weapons, how y'all doing today? I just wanted to bring a quick little video early in the morning. Just decided to make a video, but what we're going to review and unbox is the ON compact wireless keyboard with noise reduction keycap technology. So basically what it is, it's membrane technology. Basically you'll press the membrane and it triggers what button that it was and everything like that. But this was $10 at Walmart. We're just going to unbox it real quick. Let me get a knife out of here. But yeah, I think it was $9.99 plus tax. Might have been $14.99. If you're looking for a keyboard, we're going to see if this is any good. I think this is a wireless, but it is connected by a USB dongle. So if you don't have any USB ports available, this is not going to be a good one for you. I do believe that it is connected by wireless. But in the box you got the keyboard itself, and I believe the dongle is going to be attached to the keyboard. But all in all, it's got a nice weight, nice feel to it. Editing videos, you're over here like back on your lap. User guide, compact wireless keyboard, and that's all that's in the box. So, poing, and I'll throw that on the floor. But it has the USB receiver. Let's see, it is 2.4 gigahertz wireless. And then a receiver, can we do it any other way, like Bluetooth cable? There are batteries in the back here, so you just want to pop off that cover and then remove the battery holder to keep it from draining the battery. And then also, when you remove that holder, you can see the USB dongle right there as well. So we will pop that out and see if we have to have that. If we don't have to have it, I will let you know. We're going to try initially to just use it without the dongle. So we're going to power it on and see if it can be found Bluetooth wise. If not, then we will power it on. So we do have, it does say take out USB receiver, insert it into available USB-A port. So I'll go ahead and remove that and plug this in here. So this would not be good for an iPad, if the case being you need a USB-A port unless you had a dongle like so. So this is a USB-C dongle that has multiple ports, USB-A, USB-A 3.0, and then another USB-C, and then it also has another USB-A, but also has a micro SD and an SD card slot reader. That is by QGeem. I think I got that on Amazon. But yeah, if you want one of those, QGeem on Amazon, I do believe, or Walmart. It might have been Best Buy, but it's been a pretty good buy for me. I've used it to take footage off of the SD card from my camera and then put it onto my computer. So first off, we're going to switch it on, and then we're going to go to unplug and then add the keyboard that way. Let's see, add a device, Bluetooth. So you do have to have the dongle plugged in. So like I said, if you wanted to have something like a iPad for it, so it will not even connect. I will show you. Okay, so let's go Thesilentweapon here. Check that out. Oh, that doesn't even bring me up. Okay, so let's look up, check out all these, and it looks like it has a screenshot button as well. It's really weird because I normally use a keyboard that has mechanical keys. But yeah, all in all, nice little keyboard. $10 at Walmart. About the size of like an iPad, similarly. A little bit larger in length and shorter in width, but about a mini size, and then mini size in width, and then lengthwise a little bit longer. So all in all, a nice little ON product. Let's see if the screenshot button works. Oh, so it does. That is one nice thing. So if you're on editing like and you're casting to your TV or something, that would be nice. And then you can just escape that and take that off of there. But that's a nice little useful tool if you want to use that. But again, $10 on Walmart. So go check out the electronics section if you want one of these. Also, I'm going to do a review of the mouse here in just a minute, see what connection is like that. And it might be the same way. I think it's just going to be plug and play, but we will see. Actually, I'll just do it right now. We'll do the mouse and keyboard combo. So this was the other one, just the on-brand wireless mouse. Different DPI sensitivity, so like it goes up to 1600 DPI, so that's really fast speed. So the base is, let's see, I don't know what the base is. We shall see. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me put that in there and find out. So we're about to just rip the box open because I'm not going to take this back. Like I said, it would be useful if you had it casted to your TV. You want to be on your TV with your mouse and keyboard. Definitely helpful there. Just has the mouse and then the user guide. So we'll check the box over in the floor again. I'm definitely going to pick that up here in a second, don't worry. But yeah, we're going to it comes with a little like baggie, which kind of keeps it from getting dust on the mouse itself, it looks like. Pull the slot for the battery. So this is how this works on this mouse itself. That's a little different. I've not seen a mouse like that. But for the wireless mouse, so the top just pops off. It's got a little notch in the back here. Let me remove this piece. It's got a little notch in the back. Put it back on there. A little notch in the back of the mouse right here, and you just put your fingernail under there and you pop that off. When you pop it off, you have this little USB dongle. This is the same thing. Sorry, I should have showed you this on the keyboard, but it's going to be the same thing in the battery compartment on the keyboard, on the back of the keyboard. You'll have that, and you just plug that directly into your computer. I don't know if these are cooperative, so I think they should be both 2.4 gigahertz. So let's see. Let's turn it on and find out if that works with just one dongle. That would be amazing if it worked that way. But let's see. So no, not just yet. But let me see if I can go forward and let's see. Add a device. Can we add a? Nope, not there. Add a device. Dock. No. Wireless adapter. Let's see. Connect. No connection there, but if we go to add device and go here, no, turn on Bluetooth. I have Bluetooth turned on, do I not? Yes. Help with Bluetooth and other devices. So I do believe you're going to have to plug it directly in. It's the sad part about it. So just pull the Bluetooth dongle off, and you'll want to technically plug them both in at the same time, but I don't have another free spot on the front of my computer. So yeah, maybe not. Okay, so let me go here and let's see. Let's read the user guide actually. So let's see what it says about the DPI on there. Press connect if the device has lost connection. So if it goes too far away from the computer, you might have to hit connect and it'll just automatically reconnect. Should. How does it? Okay, so 5 clickable buttons. Oh, scroll wheel and on and off switch. And it's just a basic 1600 DPI. But for a smaller hand, this might be good for you, or just for like a mobile laptop if you want to work like in public or something. good little mouse. So the buttons, I do believe, this left click, no, or it's a click and drag. I believe you can click and drag with those. You might have to actually set it up. Because I don't know, setting up mouse 7 and 9. 7 through 9, well, where's 7 through 9 at? FCC compliance. There's not a 7 through 9. So that is one thing you might want to look up on. Let me find out and see. Should have something plug and play. So it does look like it clicks, but it doesn't look like it has drag and drop capabilities except for on the 2 mouse buttons, but you do have the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel clicks as well, but I don't know with the 2 side buttons if you can program them or not. Let's see what that, if I can do anything with that. I will look that up and find out if we can actually get them programmed or not. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you like the combo of the on keyboard and mouse right here, red light. If you like this combo, that's kind of an awkward position. Yeah, if you like that combo, definitely don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. We will see you all in the next one though. Alright, peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day.